All right, how do you get a full-size truck into a two-car garage that doubles as a workshop and a bike shop? Well, it's called organization. I love this little Lowe's hanging cobalt system for all the yard tools. I don't have a shed, so this is essentially my shed area. And then I only got one rolling toolbox. The rest of the tools I decided to put on the wall with the French cleat. So I just make these little boards and they're movable. And I think I've moved this shop around maybe 3-4 times in the last year and a half just to kind of fit my needs. So this is more the woodworking side with the sandpaper. Again, things I need to grab often when I'm working in the middle of the garage. And these are the tools I use for bikes, the house, woodworking too. And then got to have a charging station, got nail guns, got to charge the batteries for lawnmower, hand tools. Of course, you got to have a little bit of hardware accessible so you're not digging. Digging just kills projects, takes too much time. The other thing is you got to have an air compressor, but then I have an air hose reel so I can get to it faster. So I just pop it on, it's always plugged in, charge it up, and I can do whatever. Got power tool storage down here, and this is just a Harbor Freight cheapy toolbox or tool bench, but I put rollers on it. So those are, you can move them up and down, and it's also served as my outfeed table for the DeWalt table saw. So it's not only a tool bench, but it's an outfeed table. So I love that. Everything's got to be movable in a small garage. This is our drying and hanging bike station. So I decided to take part of the French cleat, which French cleat means there's a little kind of 45-degree angle there. And so again, everything can get moved and put around. Usually you have these little locking pins. So if I want to move my paper towels, I just pop that locking pin out and move it to another place. But over here, I decided to go a little more permanent with the pegs. They're just a screw-in peg, but it works great for drying shoes, keeping shoes off of the steps, trip hazards. Out here in Northwest Arkansas after a bike ride, you're going to be super sweaty, so you just want to hang everything up, dry. I think the biggest thing is if it's accessible, you can use it and you'll go. Same with the tools. The minute you hide them, you don't use them as much. Same in biking. And so that's the name of the game. I just try to make anything we use 100% accessible or a quick grab. Like the bikes are a quick grab, golf clubs. Anything on here is camping, boating, house, paint, chemicals, you name it, but it's just right there. I can grab it and go. And I took a unit that is normally this tall, took another unit, split it in half, hard mounted it to the wall, took these big zip ties, kind of bound them all together so that it's not going to fall off the wall because there's a lot of weight on there. But what's nice is tall ceilings is it gets it off of the floor and away from the truck and the workspace in the middle. Like here's the wood side of the garage, just storage anyway. So I've got dust system here again on rollers, miter saw table, down rollers, all my wood's on rollers, and table saw on rollers. Got wood storage up there out of the way. Got one boat hanging up there. Found those cool little kind of hoist cleat kind of deals so Tans can take her boat up and down. And yeah, got a little workout station. But overall, it just, taken me a year and a half to kind of figure out how I use the garage. And since I love biking and woodworking and boating, they all have to come together. So hope that helps. Let me know what you think.